sink it down here a little bit, so we're going to back up. There we go. Now we're digging all this pipe. It ended up having a belly in it, so we got to remove it here and relay it. We'll flop it down the throw, but it happens sometimes. So we're rocking a little too much. Not like that. Gives me a better angle even with the bucket closed. Even though that just smacked right into it. We got throttle all the way up. Oh, we dropped the rock. Oh well. Falling right here. And so what a belly and a line is where the line sinks down below normal grade running line, more or less. So the sewer line ends up kind of sloping down and back up. And it holds water, waste, and stuff in there. Depending on how major the belly is, it could be decently okay for the time being. But with this going to be a new apartment complex, they would rather fix it now instead of have to come back in a few years and fix it later and it'd be a big issue. So that's why we're digging it up now before we start doing anything else. There's a big rock. Let's grab this big rock here. Like nails on the chalkboard.